kiss? No, are you too busy? Too busy for hugs and kisses? You just want to make me cry? Boo-hoo-hoo. Please, can I have a hug and kiss? Please. You don't know how to know what I do to boys. You won't give me hugs and kisses. The tickle spiders get them real good. Alright, I won't. I was just teasing you. At least you're being silly this morning.
I'm not going
I love you.
I'm not going to kiss.
Is that a good book, Harvey?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my camera. Yeah. I'm going to show you on TV later.
Alright, okay, calm down. Calm down. Oh, is it videoing?
Yeah.
Oh, for God's sake, I never imagined that.
Alex, show me your dinosaur book. You know, the one with dinosaurs. Any of them, I don't care.
What dinosaur?
What, sweetheart?
You mean the ones that are in the suitcase?
No, I meant the one where you lift the flaps, the one you taped up this morning.